Okay, today is Tuesday, March 1st, 2022. We're at 6930 West Dartmoor in West Bloomfield. We're in a bedroom here. This closet backs up to the main bath. As you see, we have a 3-inch stack clean out. We've been able to remove the plug. We're going to go ahead and do a diagnostic televise at this time. Their drains are running a bit slow. As you can see, this is 3-inch cast iron, and you can see going down we have a large amount of scale buildup. As you can see here, we're currently holding water at this time. The sewer does go out to the back of the house. It is currently on septic. As you can see here, we're still underwater. We are going to continue to televise, see if we can televise and see where the blockage is at, or the reason that we're holding water. Okay, we had a hard spot right here around the 26-foot mark. We are going to continue to televise. Okay, as you can see here, you see with large amounts of scale buildup. You can see here we have a lot of debris that's standing in the pipe at this time. We're going to try and see if we can actually get a flow going through the line. Okay, here you can see we change. You can see here's the cast iron. You can see how it's it has a lot of scale buildup and it's orangish. And here you can see we change over to a pipe that's black. We believe this is Orangeburg piping. We will locate this transition. Here you can see we popped into the septic tank. Okay, we're going to pause our recording at this point. We are going to go ahead and first locate this area and put a flag out in the yard. We will pull back and mark the start of the Orangeburg as well. Okay, we have located this area outside. The tank was just cleaned last summer, so there's an area just in front of where we located where they dug the lid of the tank up. We're down approximately 2 feet. We are going to flush a toilet a couple of times here and see if we have some water flow coming down through from the main bathroom. Okay, we're going to pull back at this time. We want to see if we move back, if we can kind of get some of the stuff moving here. We have a clean out open in the closet. We don't want to make a big mess. It kind of sounded like it wanted to back up. So we want to try and pull back and see if we can move some of the debris. As you can see, we have heavy scale buildup throughout the line. Okay, we're going to flush a couple more times. As you can see here, we're going past the, this is the Y coming up that picks up the stack, picks up the lav in the wall, and then continues on up for the vent. And as you can see, it here you can see we turned and we're actually coming up the stack. It appears that possibly the toilet is 4-inch, and this is a 3-inch line. We are going to flush a few more times just to see if we can get the main line cleared out so we can get a better visual. But as you've seen when we were pulling back, we did have water flow. We do have quite a bit of scale buildup throughout the cast iron here. And also it does change to 4-inch Orangeburg outside where it heads to the septic tank. We're going to do one more flush and then we'll go ahead and do another second televise and record all the way out to the septic tank. Okay, we've marked this outside. There's approximately maybe 4 to 5 feet of Orangeburg pipe, and then another 5 feet of cast iron. Currently we have the sink running in the half bath by the front of the house. We want to see if we can see where it ties into this run, or see if there's two totally separate lines that go to the septic. We have not been able to see a why. Some of it's probably due to the buildup in the lines. Okay. We do believe right around this area is where the cleanout is. That's outside, possibly right here. It looks like there's an opening. It is exposed outside. It is right up against the house. As you can see, we have large amounts of buildup here. This was actually in the area where we were holding paper and waste. This was actually an area that was causing the current backup that they've been having. As you can see, we've been unable to identify water flow yet from the half bath, so it's very possible that there's two separate lines that go to the septic tank. You can see it looks like we're picking up water flow here. Okay, as we pull back here, you can see these lines actually tie in upstream of this location. The only water we currently have running is from the half bath at this point. So these lines must turn and run parallel with the front of the house over to the laundry, half bath, and then to the kitchen area. So we definitely believe that right here, this is a 4x3Y, and the 4-inch continues on to the laundry, half bath, and then also over to the kitchen. We are going to turn the water flow off at this time, and this will finish our recording.